Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. How to get EIN number. An employer identification number, EIN, is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, to identify businesses for tax purposes. EINs are required for most types of businesses, including corporations, partnerships, LLCs, sole proprietorships, non-profit organizations, and trusts. If you're starting a new business or need to apply for an EIN for an existing business, here's a step-by-step guide on how to get an EIN. Step 1. Determine if you need an EIN. The first step in getting an EIN is to determine whether your business needs one. If your business is a sole proprietorship with no employees and you don't plan to hire any employees in the future, you may not need an EIN. However, if you're starting a business as a partnership, corporation, or LLC, or if you plan to hire employees, you'll need an EIN. Non-profit organizations and trusts also need EINs. In general, any business that has a federal tax obligation or operates as a separate legal entity will need an EIN. Step 2. Apply for an EIN online. The easiest and fastest way to apply for an EIN is to do it online. To apply for an EIN online, go to the IRS website and click on Apply for an EIN online. From there, follow the steps to complete the application. The online application is available from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. You'll need to provide information about your business, including its legal name, mailing address, and the type of business entity you're applying for. Once you've completed the application, you'll receive your EIN immediately. Be sure to save the confirmation page that shows your EIN, as you'll need it for future reference. Step 3. Apply for an EIN by mail or fax. If you prefer not to apply online, you can apply for an EIN by mail or fax. To do so, download Form SS4 from the IRS website and fill it out with accurate information. Once you've completed the form, you can either mail it or fax it to the appropriate IRS address or fax number listed on the form. It may take up to 4 weeks to receive your EIN if you apply by mail or fax. Step 4. Apply for an EIN by phone. If you need an EIN immediately, you can apply for one by phone. To do so, call the IRS Business and Specialty Tax Line at 800-829-4933 from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. local time. Be sure to have all the necessary information about your business ready before you call. Once your application is processed, you'll receive your EIN over the phone. Step 5. Wait for your EIN to arrive. Once you've applied for an EIN, you'll need to wait for it to arrive. If you applied online, you should receive your EIN immediately. If you applied by mail or fax, it may take up to 4 weeks to receive your EIN. When you receive your EIN, be sure to keep it in a safe place. You'll need it for tax purposes, including filing tax returns and making payments to the IRS. In summary, getting an EIN is a simple process that can be completed online, by mail or fax, or by phone. Determine if your business needs an EIN, provide accurate information on the application, and keep your EIN safe for future reference.
Catch me if I fall.